गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल ऑफ लीगल सक्सेस लॉ क्लासेस मेरिट। और इस समय मैं आप लोगों के साथ कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करने वाला हूं, दैट इज़ अबाउट उत्तराखंड एचजीएस वैकेंसी। हाई कोर्ट ऑफ नैनीताल हैज़ नोटिफाइड उत्तराखंड हायर जुडिशियल सर्विस एचजीएस. There is a notification regarding this ADJ exam, and this is the advertisement which I am going to discuss with you. It's a latest one, right? But in this one there are only 3 seats, right? So the invitation of application is for only 3 seats, right? Only for 3 seats in the Uttarakhand HGS, right? So it is for Uttarakhand ADJ exam, right? Now, so it was notified one day before, right? So it is 20th May today now. So on 19th it was notified. So we have this vacancy information. So it is for 3 seats, and important to understand these 3 seats are for some category wise. I'll inform you about it. So you can see this, there are 3 seats. Number 1, 1 seat is for Uttarakhand female, right? So it is reserved one. Another seat, so there are 3 seats, so another seats it's for EWS, economically weaker section, आर्थिक रूप से पिछड़े हुए लोग उनके लिए, right? ये unreserved है. This one is reserved for Uttarakhand female, right? UF जिसे कहते हैं, and this is unreserved EWS. and third scheduled caste के लिए, SC के लिए ये भी unreserved है, means male female का कोई चक्कर नहीं है. You can fight for these commonly. So there are 3 seats. So this notification is for 3 seats, right? Important information. So what are the eligibility criteria? So same eligibility criteria, like being a citizen of India and 7-year practice, 35 years minimum age, maximum 45, 5-year extension has been given to the people of Uttarakhand and all, right? But they are not asking for the cases, right? List of cases they are not asking. So important information you have to understand, they are not asking 35 and 45, it's of like on first day of, मतलब इससे पहले पैदा होने चाहिए, इसके बाद नहीं होने चाहिए, और इससे पहले नहीं होने चाहिए, right? That is 79 and 89, right? So an important one कि भाई you should be a citizen of India, continuing practice of 7 years होना चाहिए, and there is no as such requirement of cases 30 or 25 as it was there in the UP HGS, which you filled on 15th of May was the last date. So very important information which I would like to share with you, and that is regarding we are going to have, as we had declared earlier, we are going to have a new batch crash course for the UP HGS PT very soon, right? So you can get yourself registered with this. So this is another information which I am going to share with you. So you can join the batch. That batch would be evening batch, and that batch would be lasting till your examination would be there. So right, so it would be a new batch for UP HGS crash course for the PT only. So you can contact to our official number, right? Now moving ahead in this session, and important thing, another important thing, the date. Fee is for general Uttarakhand female, it's for 1,000 rupees, and for EWS and scheduled caste it would be 750 rupees, right? You have to download a form from Uttarakhand High Court .gov.in. You have to fill the form. The format is given. This is the format of the form. This is the format. I just show you. Format itself is given. This is the form, right? So this form you have to, application form you have to download from the Uttarakhand site, and then you have to fill it, and by 10th June you have to, by 10th June, the timing, the last date is 10th June. By 10th June you have to send it, right? So it should be like received by the Uttarakhand High Court by like 10th June. So please take care of this date. You are not having so much time. It is 20th today. So you are having almost like 15 days around. So don't be lethargic. Just be active and vigilant, and as early as possible fill it. Those who are qualified in this one, like if you are falling under this category, go for it, right? Now, and the coming like It is the 10th June 2024 by 4 p.m. It should be received to the High Court of Nainital. All right. There is no extension of date. It is written over there. And this, what are the like PT mains? So there will be PT mains interview. This will be the process of examination. Examination shall be conducted in 3 parts: preliminary examination, main examination, and vivavos. Right. That is personality test or interview, you call it. So the syllabus of PT is given 100 question. See this. The PT syllabus is given. It is of 100 questions, right? And you will be having 1.5, 90 minutes. 90 minutes and 100 questions. This is the formation. You can see this 100 questions. And what they are going to cover in this one: English language, general knowledge, current affairs, history and geography, science and tech, sports and law, and the Constitution of India. So for few people it might be some shocking, so there is no law as such. GS to specific they have told, but yes, they have given a smaller law, so they can ask CPC, CRPC, contract, TPA, everything they can ask here. So please take care of this, right? And plus and from all these law aspects from or and the Constitution of India they will be asking. So this will be comprising of 100 questions. And apart from this, after this PT, they will be conducting their mains exam, and 15 times they will be they are saying that they will be covering 15 times, right, for the mains. So they will be choosing you 15 times from the seats, right? So 45 people will be there in the mains. Come to the main syllabus. This is the application form. Let's come to the main syllabus. What would be the syllabus of mains? So you can see in this annexure 2, they have given the syllabus of mains. So syllabus is like this, right? Paper number 1, part 1, part 2. Part 1 will be current affair, Indian legal history, legal magazine, medical jurisprudence, basic knowledge of computer operation, and legal phraseology, legal maxims, etc. That would be of 50 marks in the paper number 1. Another part of the paper number 1 of 50 marks is a language, essay in English, précis writing in English, translation of Hindi to English and English to Hindi, especially containing the legal phrases. So that would be of 100 marks, paper number 1. Coming to paper number 2, it is 100 marks, civil, criminal and constitutional law, 40, 40 and 20, right? And then coming to paper number 3, Indian Evidence Act, CPC, CRPC, legal drafting. Indian Evidence Act is of 30 marks, CPC is of 30 marks, CRPC is of 30 marks, and legal drafting, framing of charges, issue judgment writing is of 10 marks, right? So you will be having how many people? 1, 2, 3 people will be there, right? There is no BNS, there is no BSA, there is no BNSS, right? So they are having their exam ADJ 2024, right? This exam they will be conducting in the old 3 criminal laws. Please take care of this. There is no BNS, BSA or BNSS, right? And each paper will be of 2 hours duration, right? And 100 marks vivavos or this personality test, right? So this was the information, right? Anything if you want to ask, you can ask in the comment, or any like another information if you are willing to have, please you can ask, right? And even if you want to join this crash course for the UPHS PT, you know that it's a consist of big, so many new acts has been, so we will be covering all those acts in that one. Even we will be trying to cover the practice questions as well, which is possible for us, for our team to cover it, all right? So you can join the batch. And if you have not enrolled with us, or like if you have not subscribed our channel Legal Success Law Classes, so subscribe it, because you will get the information, and press the bell icon so you can have the information as early as possible. Thank you. See you in the next video.